Hi folks, welcome to Octagon Math. I'm back with another video in our Find the Area series. Let's take a look at the question. So we have three squares and a right triangle. The first square has a side of 4 centimeter. This side of the first square is acting as the diagonal for the second square. And the third square is connecting this vertex of the first square and this vertex of the second square. A right angle triangle is constructed such that it has as its hypotenuse the side of the third square, and one of its side is the side of the second square. And it's asking us to find the area of this right triangle. If you want to solve this problem on your own, pause the video right here because we're going to look at a solution in a few seconds. As with any math problem, there are many ways to solve this question. I'm going to talk to you about my favorite one. The only thing you need to know to understand the solution is that if the side of the square is a, then the diagonal of the square is a times root 2. Let's take a look at this side of the square. This is going to be 4 centimeters. And because this is the diagonal of the second square, the side of the second square is going to be 4 centimeters divided by root 2, which is 2 root 2 centimeters. Which means that this side of the triangle is also going to be 2 root 2 centimeter. The next thing to notice is that because this is the diagonal of the second square, this angle is going to be 45 degrees. And that means that this line is going to be the diagonal of the first square. So let's extend that and create this diagonal. Now this angle is also 45 degree and this angle is a right angle. So we have another right angle triangle. Now this side of this right angle triangle and this side of this right angle triangle are going to be the same because they are sides of the same square. Also, this side of this triangle and this side of this triangle are going to be the same because they are also sides of the same square. So we have two right angle triangles with equal hypotenuse and equal side, and therefore these two triangles are congruent by RHS rule, which means that their third side should also be equal. Now the length of this side is going to be 4 times root 2 centimeters, which means that this side is also going to be 4 root 2 centimeters. Now we can forget this triangle, and to find the area of the red triangle, we just need to use the formula for area, which is base times height divided by 2. We know that the base is 2 root 2 centimeters and height is 4 root 2 centimeters, so let's put that in. This centimeter and this centimeter can be multiplied together to get centimeters squared. And this root 2 times this root 2 will cancel out with 2 in the denominator, and we get area equals 2 times 4 centimeters squared, and that is 8 centimeters squared, and that is our final answer.